Zvabuda pachena kuti the Constitution Amendment Bill number 3, it was only planned and it was only implemented to avoid VP Constantino Chiwenga succeeding the current President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Panguva ino panokonzi VP Constantino Chiwenga, everyone knows, kuti according to the gentleman's agreement, him in 2017, is the one who was supposed to lead Zimbabwe. Soon after President Emmerson Mnangagwa finishes his first term, he was supposed to hand over to VP Constantino Chiwenga, but unfortunately, VP Constantino Chiwenga was supposed to wait to President Emmerson Mnangagwa finish his 2 terms and leave ajisira awa the power kuna VP Constantino Chiwenga. Sana bina mashukara mdanyo kwa panguwa inai anyasi kwenzi panguwa ino VP Constantino Chiwenga have been neutralized. Panguwa inai, he is the main reason yaketa kuti the cap 3 once implemented. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna pa yendo ya Apostle Innocent Marusa anaposta this picture ya VP Constantino Chiwenga pango chete na Philip Valerius Vanda obdanyara achiti Chiwenga has been neutralized. What was the coup d'etat really about? Panguwa ino kuri kuna VP Constantino Chiwenga, according to the cap 3 which has been signed, VP Constantino Chiwenga has been neutralized. Asina any say kana any way yokuti angaendera mberi nekuti anga decide kuti he is the one angava akatarisana ni succession or succeeding President Mnangagwa, being provided that VP Constantino Chiwenga vaida kuti 2028 ndopanga watarisira kuti tinde kuma elections, but now terms are extended. Now afana kumbira 2030, and we are not sure kuti VP Constantino Chiwenga will he remain at the vice president till 2030, and also muna 2030 macho achazovoterwa here neparliament kuti akwanise kusucceda mutungamiri wenyika. Developments ari kuda panguva ino nyasi unokwanzi VP Constantino Chiwenga has been